Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, The World Around Us, we will be covering the section of grammar, in which we will learn about predicative adjectives. So, open up page number 31 and let's get started. We already know that an adjective is a word that describes a noun. Today, we will study the type of adjective which is predicative adjectives. So let's look at the given pictures. The first picture is the sky is blue. Here sky is a noun and blue is an adjective because blue is describing the sky which is a noun. Let's look at the second picture. The leaves are green. Now let's look at the third picture. The duckling is yellow. And the last picture is the flowers are red. Now carefully look at the highlighted words in the sentences. These are predicative adjectives and they come after a verb. Now let's do an activity. Make some sentences having predicative adjectives on a loose sheet. If you have any difficulty, ask someone in your family for help. I have made one sentence for you, which is the house is big. Here, house is a noun and big is adjective. It is describing the noun house and it is coming after the verb is. Similarly, make 5 more sentences on a loose sheet.